In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project and make sure you already have a text box with multiple lines of text that you want to convert into a bullet point list. It's important to understand that Photopea does not currently have a built-in bullet list feature like some other applications, but you can still create a clean and professional bullet list manually. Start by selecting all of your text and make sure it is aligned to the left from the top toolbar, as this will keep your bullets consistent and properly spaced. Once that's done, place your cursor at the very beginning of the line where you want to insert a bullet point. Now go to the top menu, click on the Window option, and enable the Glyphs panel, which is usually disabled by default. When you click on it, the Glyphs window will appear, and you can reopen or close it anytime from the right-hand side of your screen. Inside the Glyphs panel, scroll down to explore different characters. When you reach the lower section and slowly scroll back up, you will start to see various bullet styles, including solid circles, hollow circles, and other symbols. Choose the bullet style that fits your design. Click on it to insert it into your text, then remove any extra or unwanted characters so only your preferred bullet remains. After that, highlight the bullet, copy it, and paste it at the beginning of each line where you want to create your list. With proper spacing and alignment, your text will now look just like a standard bullet point list. And this is how you can add bullet points in Photopea.